Hello folks, this video is to promote my new course in Plasticity 3D over on Gumroad. The course covers in detail how to use Xnurbs to create smooth car surfaces. Unfortunately, I didn't find the time to complete the videos. There is no commentary or explanation of the tools I'm using. I decided to publish the course free of charge. I'm sure anyone interested to learn Plasticity 3D, especially surfacing, will gain useful information from watching. I rebuild areas of the 1960s sports car over and over, trying to achieve the best result. At times frustrating, the end result is satisfactory. Plasticity 3D desperately needs curvature comb added to the splines and some tools to analysis the surface. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.